Many feel their retirement savings aren't where they expected. Divorce, job loss, and caring for family can alter financial paths. Facing financial challenges in your 50s and 60s is more common than you think. Surprisingly, only a third of non-retirees feel their retirement savings are on track. You're part of a larger group navigating similar questions. Financial struggles often stem from job loss, divorce, caregiving, or health issues. Many balance work while caring for aging relatives or grandchildren. Often, life events, not bad decisions, lead to financial setbacks. Many older Americans are earning longer and reinventing their careers. More people are successfully transitioning into second careers or freelancing. It's common for financial success to come after the age of 50. If overwhelmed, focus on manageable steps towards financial stability. Begin by understanding your monthly income and expenses. Ensure essential expenses like housing and healthcare are covered. Increasing your income can be more impactful than just cutting costs. Seek opportunities in remote work, freelancing, or consulting. Try not to withdraw from retirement accounts unless necessary. Carefully consider your Social Security claiming decisions. Early claims may affect benefits. Your experience and skills are valuable. They can be monetized effectively. Financial recovery is a journey, not a race. Successful individuals often faced challenges but kept pushing forward. Your most fruitful financial years might still be ahead. Starting over isn't failing, it's a new beginning. If you're over 50 and rebuilding, you're not alone in this process. If this video resonated, like and share it with those who need encouragement.